Hello everybody, and welcome to our Getting Started tutorial. We are first going to want to log in, and we're going to want to go to Forms and Cards, and we will need to create a form. And we can see our start date, our due date, our team members, and we can also see an overview about the project. Now here is a list of different elements that we can use for our project. Here is an element. And if we go back to our tutorial page, we can click on cards and we can click on elements. And all of the elements are listed in a different section, and they each have the name, they each have a description telling you what they are, and they will also tell you about the different attributes that each element possesses. And you can use these elements for your project. That is the end of the tutorial, and thank you and goodbye.